Trading stickers in Monopoly Go is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First, what you need to do is to click on the app. After the loading its screen will appear. Click on Friends. Make sure to have some friends whom you want to trade stickers with. If you don't have any friends, you also got some suggestions here. Click on Add to add them as your friends. Now come back to the main screen. Here at the right bottom, click on Album. You can only approach this if you are above level 15. Now a variety of albums will appear. Click on any one of the album. Now you can see stickers here which you have earned while playing game. Select any one of the sticker. Now you have to select a friend. Select the username and tap Send. Your sticker will be sent to your friend. You can only send 5 stickers a day. Now to receive stickers, come in Albums and click on a sticker which you don't have. Now click on Ask the Group. Make sure your game account is connected to your Facebook account. Now click on Join Group. Click on Yes and tap Submit. Here you have other Monopoly Go players whom you can request to send you sticker. You can post here or add your account's link here. So, in this way you can trade stickers in Monopoly Go.